Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Middle Age Adventures Tech Talk. We're out here and we're going to test out the new drone, DJI Mini. So I'll put my GoPro on, we'll keep the camera recording. Once we've set up all the calibration, we've set everything up, so we'll see how this thing goes. So just want to say thanks guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. We've got the drone set up over there on the floor and we're about to test the flight and the range and that on it. Now I've done some research on this, and the research I was doing last night, this thing can actually fly for a fair few kilometres. But here in Australia we've got restrictions, so we can't actually do that. So we're just out at our local park, Footy Oval. There's a few birds around, so maybe we'll get some shots on the drone of that as well if they don't fly into it. And yeah, let's see how this thing goes. We'll have a bit of a test run. We'll leave the camera recording and we'll jump over to the GoPros. So anyway, firstly guys, we're going to push this button here and it comes up with a takeoff, so you just hold that down. We'll push the record. Okay, we're going to have to do this off my son's hand. Do you want to hold it? Just off button here, and it will actually start up. And it just hovers. So that's it, just hovering there. And we can pull it down, fly left, fly right. This thing is really easy to fly, guys, really easy to fly. So we're basically looking at where the gimbal is at the moment, which has got a button up here, so you can actually move the gimbal down and you'll see the shot on the ground. And if we turn around, we'll get a shot of the camera. So that is basically the camera. So you can see what we're doing there. And the gimbal will actually go all the way down to the bottom and then come back up. So yeah, we're going to give it a test flight. We're going to go out and see how far we can go. That's left and right, forward, backwards, and then you got your rotate. We'll push the gimbal down a little bit, and we'll go have a look and see what this thing can do. That's it, flying around. We just got to change the settings on the flights, guys, because I'm not getting very far with this thing. So I'll just bring it back into us. As you can see, so basically what we've got to do, guys, is we've actually got to set the settings because we can't get very far out. So I'm going to go in and have a look at that. For our maximum distance is only 20 meters. So you can actually set these to further. So I've only got the altitude to 15 meters, but we'll drop that up to, I don't know, we'll do 185 meters. So we can show you some other stuff. And our maximum distance, we'll just put that up to as far as it'll go. And our altitude, we'll do that about 98 meters, I suppose. Return to home altitude, no, that's return to home altitude, so we'll leave that at 15 meters. Update our home point. Won't need to do that. Let's see how far we can get with that now. Oh, it's over by the goalpost apparently. I can see the other goalpost. Let's start coming back. So now apparently we've got a few other things we can actually do on here. So it actually flies quite well. We went a fair distance. We were over at the other goalpost to see how far we can go out this way. And now we're just doing like a big square. And we'll put this video footage up with this vlog as well, so you can see the clarity. I'm currently on 2.7 at 50 frames a second, so we're just flying around at low meters. And that is basically, yeah, this is actually a pretty good drone for the money, guys. I'm impressed. I used to have one before, but wasn't very good. And change that gimbal up. And that's the oval. We were actually over that far side. So there's a few other things we can do here at the moment. So if we stop that, and we actually push our settings button here, we can go to quick shot. So we'll basically do a quick shot from where we are. And we'll just put the gimbal down a little bit. And we'll just start it at 25 meters, and we'll do what's called a droney at the moment. So we'll just do that, and we'll just do a 25 meter one and see what it does. We'll just put the gimbal down a little bit, not too far. There we go. And I'll target. We can actually target. Yep, there you go. We can target both of us by pulling across. And we'll see what it does. And now we just push start. And it's about to start and do a droney 25 meters quick shot away from us. Wow guys, that's pretty cool. Wave, Reese. It's actually going away from us on a quick start. And now it's returning. That was only 25 meters, guys, so because we're out in the suburban area, we don't want to do it too far away. And there you go, look at that, it comes straight back at you. The drone, you can do that quickie, it can come straight back at you. We did a 25 meter one, so I mean it does actually go further, so we can have a look at. So basically you got 25 meters, 30 meters, 40 meters away. So let's have a look at a 40 meter one, target myself. And we'll have a look and see where that goes. So we're about to, I hope you guys can see this on the GoPro. We can actually push the start button. It's targeted on me, and it should take off 40 meters away and then return to us. Hopefully. Let's see what happens. Here it goes. So there you go, it's moving away. It's doing its thing. No, this drone is really good. It's like, at the moment it's 24 meters, 25 meters away, if you can see that on the screen there. So it's actually 40 meters away, and now it's returning. Wow guys, that's pretty cool. and it just comes straight back to you. You don't have to do anything. How cool is that? Let's see, let's try this rocket, see what it does with this rocket here. So we'll put the gimbal, we'll actually change the gimbal to down as we're doing it, I think. So we'll just, right, we'll do a 30 meter rocket, see how, there is like 40 meters we can go. I've got it set to this, so you can actually set it higher if you want. I've just done like its altitude to certain amounts because we're here in Australia. So I'll target myself and we'll do a rocket straight up. Let's see what it does. And there you go. I'm just going to look up for a minute. It's going straight up, guys. It's right above us. Well, that's 40 meters up. There you go, guys. Look at that. That is really cool. It's just hit 40 meters and now it's returning again. Hopefully it doesn't land on my head. Wow, guys, that's actually pretty good. This is, so there you have it. Circle. Let's see what it does with a circle. Hopefully it doesn't hit the road because we're really close to the road. So we'll see what it does with that. And there you go. It's going around me right where I am at the altitude I've left it to at the ground. So you can actually lift this up higher if you want to do a higher circle. Oh, that was close to our camera. So that basically is a circle, guys, and you can do it the other way, but we can actually pull it back a little bit, go up a bit higher, push the gimbal down. So we've got it on me. There we go. So we'll get it to target me. Go the other way, so we'll go this way and we'll see what it does. Wow, guys, that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. So there you have it. And I'm landing it on my hand, guys. So there you have it, guys. I think it actually recorded all the stuff that we did. DJI Mavic Mini. Can't go wrong with it. It's done everything I've expected it to do today, except in 2.7K it does chew the battery, but 1080p is perfectly fine. So yeah, I'm actually impressed, guys, with it, and hopefully the footage off this new Canon M50 has worked out fine with the 22mm lens. But that's it. That's our tech talk. If I can recommend going out and getting one of these, guys, it's very easy to use, very easy to land. Get the Fly More kit, you get more batteries. It's really, really well worth it. Yeah, DJI Maverick. Go out and get yourself one, guys. This thing only weighs 249 grams. So basically that's it. So yeah, guys, anyway, that's what you get. We've just showed you some video footage. Hopefully it all turned out right. We've been out here testing out the new DJI Mini Drone. I think it's the best investment I did, so it's really going to come in good for our four-wheel drive and our trips away, for getting some of the drone footage, because I've wanted one for a while. Hopefully I do hope that I got it all from off the GoPro on my head, and some of the ones from taking, we unfortunately had to take off from our hands and land on our hands because the grass is a bit long out here and I don't actually have a home mat yet. And yeah, the new camera, I hope that's doing alright too, which I'm going home now to check out the footage on that. And yeah, guys, I'll leave all the links down below to the camera, the drone, the stuff we used out here on this video as well. And just want to say thanks for watching another episode of our Tech Talk. We've done the unboxing of the M50, we've done the unboxing of the drone, and now we've done all the tests on them. So we'll go home, we'll check out all the footage, see how it went, put something together for you, and come up with it. If you guys have liked the video, please hit the like, please hit the subscribe, please hit the bell notification. Don't forget to share it around. Get out there and buy one of these. I think you'll enjoy it. This is Rob from Middle Age Adventures. We'll catch you next time, guys.